In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 3D photos with Gemini AI prompt in a quick and easy way, inspired by the Neon Man's style. This process is straightforward, and you'll create vivid, dynamic images in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Google. If you don't have it set as your homepage, simply type google.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the Google homepage, find the search bar at the center of the page. Click on this bar to start typing. Type in Google Gemini and press enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to Google Gemini. Scroll through the results and find the official Google Gemini website link. It's important to ensure that you're visiting the correct and official website to avoid any confusion or issues down the line. Once you've landed on the Google Gemini site, you'll be presented with a variety of options. Look for the button that says Create Image. It might appear as a button with a little banana icon next to it. Go ahead and click on this button. This will open up a new interface where you can begin creating your 3D photo. Before we get into creating, you'll need a photo that you want to use as your base. To upload your photo, look for the plus sign icon on the interface. Clicking on this will prompt you to select a photo from your device. Choose the photo you want to transform into a 3D masterpiece and upload it. Now comes the fun part, creating your prompt. This is where you let your creativity shine and direct the AI on how to transform your image. You could write something along the lines of, a cinematic cyberpunk portrait of rock star transforming into a glowing holographic being emerging from a smartphone, symbolizing the fusion of digital identity and reality. Feel free to get creative and express the vision you have in your mind. The more descriptive and vivid, the better the AI can interpret and transform your photo. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, it's time to submit it. Find the button that says Submit and click on it. The AI will start working on transforming your photo based on your prompt. This may take a few moments, so sit back and let the magic happen. And there you have it. You've successfully created a 3D photo with the help of Gemini AI. Feel free to explore different prompts and styles to see what works best for you. This method is a great way to blend creativity with cutting-edge technology, offering endless possibilities. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating!